The sections of the gazebo floor have been pre-assembled during manufacturing. Each floor section has been marked with either letters or numbers that should be matched up to ensure a perfect fit. Lay out the floor sections according to the markings on each section. Make sure the corners and the decking surface are even. Use two 10 by 2.5 inch zinc screws at each missing floorboard to attach the floor sections together. Attach the floorboards using the nails that are provided with the same pattern as the nails in the attached floorboards. Fasten the floor center with the nails that are provided, using one nail in each corner. Fasten the posts to the floor with one 10 by 3 inch stainless steel screw at each corner. Use only one screw to fasten each post until the handrails are fastened. Make sure that the long point of the post is facing the center of the gazebo. Make sure that both ends of the handrail are down against the floorboards, and then attach all the bottom rails to the posts with 8 by 2 inch stainless steel screws. After all the handrails are attached, fasten the upper rails to the posts. The bottom of the horizontal rail piece should be 74 inches above the surface of the floorboards. After all the rails are attached, put the remaining screws through the baseboards into the posts. Put one roof section into place using a sturdy prop to support the center. The approximate height of the roof can be determined by matching the rafter to the angle of the post that it rests on. Fasten the prop to the inside of the rafter. Pre-drill the holes for the screws into the side of the rafters approximately every 16 inches. Insert two 10 by 2.5 inch zinc screws approximately every 16 inches. Make sure that the outside corners are even before fastening the sections together. If the last roof section does not fit properly, raise the center prop slightly. A bar or C-clamp can be used to bring the sections together. After the roof is assembled, fasten it to the posts. Put shims between the rafter and the rail end trim, using a pry bar to shift the post and the roof if necessary. Pre-drill the holes for the screws into the top of the post. Fasten the roof to the posts using 4 10x3-inch stainless steel screws at each post. 2 screws go through the post and into the bottom of the rafters, and 1 screw on each side goes through the end trim and into the side of the rafter. Pre-drill 4 holes in the roof center. Start 4 8x2-inch stainless steel screws in the roof center before attaching it into the ceiling of the gazebo. Install asphalt shingles over each seam where the roof sections meet. Continue installing asphalt shingles to the top of the roof. Pre-drill 4 holes in the cupola base. Start 4 10x3-inch stainless steel screws in the cupola base. After all the seams are capped with asphalt shingles, install the cupola on top of the roof. Make sure you are safely tethered before installing your cupola. Attach the baseboard corner covers with 7x1-inch stainless steel screws. The V-groove in the cover should be on the inside with the 2 rounded corners down. Attach the cornice corner covers with 7 by 1 inch stainless steel screws. The V-groove in the cover should be on the inside with the 2 rounded corners down. Put your favorite chair into your gazebo and spend the rest of your day enjoying the gazebo that you assembled.